What's up everyone? Today we're taking the world's most boring tech accessory, your plain white AirPods case, and turning it into something that actually shows off your personality. Look around, everyone's got the same case. Let's change that. I grabbed a mountain of blank AirPods cases, and I'm about to show you 5 wild, creative, and easy ways to make yours stand out. We're talking paint splatters, marble effects, glitter bombs, everything. By the end, you'll have all the inspiration you need to make your AirPods case the coolest one around. And hey, maybe the last person to stop customizing gets to keep them all, or do they? Let's get started. First up, the paint splatter case. Modern art, but for your pocket. Grab a blank case, some acrylic paint, and a toothbrush. Not your own. Cover your workspace, dip the toothbrush in paint, and flick it at the case for wild, colorful splatters. Rotate the case, layer on more colors, and let loose. No rules, just chaos. Let it dry completely, then seal it with a clear coat for durability and shine. In minutes, you've got a one-of-a-kind, energetic case that looks like it belongs in a gallery. Why buy boring when you can make something this fun for the price of a few paints? That's just the start. 4 more insane designs coming up. Now, let's take your DIY game up a notch with a marble effect case, using nothing but nail polish. This technique is not only super fun, but it also gives your AirPods case a look that's totally one of a kind. If you've ever admired those expensive high-end marble accessories in stores, you'll love how easy it is to recreate that luxe vibe at home. Plus, you get to pick your own color palette, so your case can match your style perfectly. Start by filling a small container with room temperature water. This is important, because if the water's too cold or too hot, the polish won't spread right. Next, grab a few bottles of nail polish in your favorite shades. I'm using black, white, and gold for a classic marble look, but you can go wild with neons, pastels, or even metallics. Gently drip a few drops of each color onto the surface of the water. You'll see the polish float and spread out, creating beautiful rings of color. Now, take a toothpick or a thin stick and carefully swirl the colors together. Don't overmix. Just a few gentle swirls will give you that gorgeous, natural marble effect. You can experiment with different swirling motions to create bold veins or soft, cloudy patterns. This is where you can really get creative and make the design your own. Once you're happy with your marble pattern, it's time for the magic moment. Dipping your AirPods case. Hold the case by the edges, and slowly dip it through the polish film on the water surface. As you push it in, the marbled polish will wrap around the case, instantly transforming it. It's so satisfying to watch the pattern transfer, almost like watching a magic trick unfold right in front of you. Before you pull the case out, use a toothpick to clear away any leftover polish floating on the water's surface. This helps prevent smudges and keeps your design crisp and clean. Then, gently lift the case out and admire your handiwork. You'll see the swirling marble pattern clinging to the case, looking like something straight out of a designer boutique. Set your case aside and let it dry completely. This usually takes about 30 minutes to an hour, depending on how thick the polish is. Once it's dry to the touch, grab a clear top coat and brush on a thin, even layer. This not only gives your case a glossy, high-shine finish, but it also protects your marble design from scratches and chips, so it'll stay looking fresh for ages. The finished result? A case that looks like it cost a fortune at a designer store, but actually took just a few minutes and a handful of supplies you probably already have at home. Each case is totally unique. No 2 marble patterns will ever be exactly the same, so your AirPods will always stand out from the crowd. You can even make a whole collection of marble cases in different color combos to match your mood, your outfit, or even the seasons. Try soft pinks and blues for spring, bold reds and golds for the holidays, or sleek monochrome for a modern, minimalist vibe. Who would have guessed that a few drops of nail polish could create something this high-end and artistic? It's a simple DIY that delivers seriously impressive results, and it's a great way to express your creativity. Ready to try another awesome case idea? Let's jump into the next project. Time for pure personality, the sticker bomb case. Grab a blank case and a pile of stickers, bands, memes, logos, whatever you love. Start with your favorite hero stickers in the best spots, then layer smaller ones to fill every inch. Overlap for that classic sticker bomb look. Trim stickers to fit edges and wrap around corners for a seamless finish. Press everything down tight, then seal with a few coats of Mod Podge or clear spray so nothing peels. The result, a vibrant, totally unique case that's basically a collage of your life. No one else will have one like it. It's creative, it's fun, and it's all you. Let's keep going. Next up, we're bringing the bling. If you love sparkle, the Glitter Glam case is about to become your new obsession. Imagine your Airpods case transformed into a dazzling, one-of-a-kind accessory that catches the light from every angle and turns heads wherever you go. This isn't just a craft project. It's a full-on glitter explosion, and it's perfect for anyone who believes there's no such thing as too much shine. Start by grabbing your favorite Airpods case and giving it a quick wipe down to make sure it's clean and ready for some serious sparkle. Next, cover your case in a generous layer of Mod Podge. Don't be shy, you want every inch sticky and ready to grab that glitter. Now comes the fun part. Sprinkle on a mountain of glitter. Mix colors for a confetti effect. Go ombre for a gradient look, or just dump on your favorite shade and let it shine. The more creative you get, the more your case will stand out. Once you've got your first layer down, gently tap off the excess glitter over a tray so you can save and reuse every last sparkly bit. Let your case dry for about 20 minutes. Patience is key here, then go in for a second coat. This is the secret to that dense pro-level shine you see on store-bought accessories. Don't be afraid to repeat the process until you're happy with the coverage. Each layer adds more depth and dimension, making your case look like it's encrusted with tiny jewels. When you're satisfied with the sparkle factor, it's time to lock it all in. Brush on 2 or 3 more coats of Mod Podge, letting each one dry completely before adding the next. This step is crucial. Not only does it seal in all that glitter, but it also gives your case a smooth, glassy finish and keeps you from leaving a trail of glitter everywhere you go. No more sparkly fingerprints on your jeans or backpack. The end result? A case that's blindingly shiny, super durable, and absolutely impossible to ignore. Whether you're pulling it out at the gym, in class, or on the bus, people will notice, and probably ask where you got it. It's like carrying a tiny disco ball in your pocket, and it's guaranteed to make you smile every time you reach for your Airpods. Don't be afraid to experiment with different textures and types of glitter. Try mixing fine glitter with chunky pieces for a multi-dimensional effect, or create color blocks for a bold graphic look. You can even add in metallic flakes or holographic glitter for extra wow factor. The possibilities are endless, and every case you make will be totally unique to you. This project is all about self-expression. It's bold, it's bright, and it's guaranteed to get attention. Show off your finished masterpiece to friends, post it on social media, or just enjoy the little burst of happiness every time you see it sparkle. Your Airpods case will never be boring again. Ready for something cozy? Let's wrap it up with our final design, but don't forget to admire your glitter bomb creation, because you just turned an everyday accessory into a show-stopping work of art. Last up, we have the fabric wrap case, an option that's not just soft and stylish, but also brings a whole new level of coziness to your Airpods. If you're someone who loves the feeling of your favorite sweater or a warm blanket, this is the case for you. It's a tactile experience every time you reach for your earbuds, and it's a chance to show off your personality with fabric choices that are as unique as you are. Start by picking out a fabric that speaks to you. Maybe it's a bold print, a soft flannel, or even a piece of denim from an old pair of jeans. Cut your chosen fabric to size, making sure it's just big enough to wrap around your Airpods case with a little extra for the edges. Apply a thin layer of craft glue to the case, then carefully press the fabric onto the surface, smoothing out any wrinkles as you go. Wrap the edges around like you're making a tiny, perfectly wrapped present, tucking in the corners for a neat finish. For a professional look, use sharp scissors to snip the corners and trim away any excess fabric. This helps the fabric lay flat and gives your case a smooth, tailored appearance. Don't forget to use a craft knife or small scissors to carefully cut out a hole for the charging port. This way, you can charge your AirPods without ever taking the case off. Repeat the same wrapping process for the lid, making sure the fabric lines up with the base for a seamless look. Once you've finished wrapping both parts, set them aside and let the glue dry completely. This step is important for making sure your fabric stays put and doesn't shift around with use. To protect your handiwork, brush on a thin coat of Mod Podge or clear craft glue over the entire surface of the fabric. This not only seals the fabric and keeps it from fraying, but also adds a layer of durability that will help your case stand up to daily wear and tear. Let it dry thoroughly before handling. The end result is a case that feels as good as it looks. The texture is soft and inviting, and the warmth of the fabric is something you just can't get from plastic or silicone. Every time you pick up your AirPods, you'll get a little moment of comfort, like carrying a piece of your favorite cozy clothing with you wherever you go. The best part? You can totally customize the look. Go for bold patterns if you want to make a statement, or choose soft flannel for ultimate comfort. Even upcycle old clothes, like a favorite shirt or a pair of jeans, for a case that's not only stylish, but also meaningful. The possibilities are endless, and you can switch up the fabric whenever you want a new vibe. When you're done, you'll have a one-of-a-kind AirPods case that's as unique as your own style. It's cozy, it's creative, and it's the perfect finishing touch to your DIY collection. Plus, it makes a great gift for friends and family who appreciate something handmade and heartfelt. And there you have it, 5 totally different DIY AirPods cases, each with its own personality and flair. Whether you're into cozy fabrics, bold colors, or upcycled materials, you've now got the skills to create a case that's truly your own. Mission accomplished. That's a wrap. 5 wild custom AirPods cases, paint, marble, stickers, glitter, and fabric. We turned boring plastic into art, and you can too. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Make your own, tag me on social, and maybe I'll feature your creation in a future video. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe for more crazy DIYs. Thanks for watching. See you next time.